Just 3 ingredients results in a light and feathery cake, and it's a perfect tea cake. It's made without flour, no soda and no oil, and baked in a normal vessel on stovetop. To make this fluffy and easy sponge cake, take 2 clean bowls with no traces of water. Separate the egg yolks from the egg white. Any essence can be added. Here I am making a pineapple sponge cake for my family. Hence adding a teaspoon of pineapple essence with a teaspoon of sugar to the egg yolks. Blend the egg whites with 3/4 cup sugar and it turns fluffy in 5 minutes. Mix both the egg whites and the yolk mixture. Now we are going to add the secret ingredient to make this bakery style cake. Add 3/4 cup corn flour gradually. Sieve in the corn flour little by little into the egg mixture and fold well with a spoon. Preheat the vessel for 5 minutes. Pour the mixture into a greased mold and tap it to spread evenly. Bake for about 40 minutes on a low to medium flame until the toothpick inserted into the cake comes out clean. Sponge cake into a plate and let it cool down to room temperature. Dust with a little sifted icing sugar if required, and this serves as a sponge base for any cream cake. It's very soft on the inside. It's a no-fail recipe of all times. Do try it out for your kids and family. See you soon with another video.